Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 31st of August 2017. Okay guys, overall I was not really expecting a very easy day, but it held quite easy, and now I'm going to give it the review of the market for today. So I'm going to start the discussion from Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, this is the last signal of my signals report. So guys, I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. The entry was just below 143020, and I was expecting the market to the range of 141724. Okay guys, now this is the hourly chart on Great Britain Pound JPY, and you can see a very clear downward trend on this pair, and this is what it was predicted by 200forexpips.com right in the morning. And hopefully I have posted some reviews on my Facebook page so that you can tally that how customer think about the signal service. So guys, this is the power of the signal service, that we normally look at the market on a high time frame on a daily chart, so that we can provide the best signal to our subscribers. Now you can see a very good downward trend on Great Britain Pound JPY with no problems. Okay, at next I'm going to talk about USDCHF, and this is the I think so sixth pair of my signals report. Now guys, look at here, 096563 was the entry, and I'm expecting the drop to 095626. Okay guys, this is the best example of the U-turn, because I have already drawn the levels that I provide. That's the entry, and that's it does not mean that this is the take profit. I just provide the expected gap of the market on a daily basis. So some people trade my signals fully, some trade half, but it depends on the customer that how much risk they can afford to take. Okay, now look at this on USDCHF, as I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. So this is the best example of a U-turn. The market has taken a U-turn today, and from many days the market price was reached to the very high levels, and that is why I have turned into bearish, and you can see a very good drop here. And hopefully those subscribers who have active trade on USDCHF, they should be in profits. And moreover, you can also look at here, scalper has also identified you with the sell signal at the top red bond just below the that dotted level. Okay, at next I'm going to talk about AUDUSD. Very simple and very easy trade. If you have followed the video that I have supplied in the signals report, then it should be no problem for you. Today AUDUSD went bullish as predicted. The entry was 078824, and guys, this is the also good example of a U-turn. The market taken the U-turn, and it has hit the targeted price that I was expecting the market to reach to 07079. And guys, this is the result here. And those subscribers who are subscribed to the signal service, I just suggest them to post their feedback to my email, so that I can share the feedback with other traders that you should have taken a bullish chance on AUDUSD, and this is what was predicted by 200forexpips.com. Okay, what next? USDJPY sell position is taken today, and it has touched the entry right at the top, and I'm going to take you to the report here. 11006692 was the entry, and I was quite bearish on USDJPY. And guys, this is a clear drop after touching the entry, and it looks like that market is on the way to 109 level, and you can see that I have already drawn a line over here. But guys, if you have taken your reasonable profit, then always note that there is no need to take your trades and test your trades up to the targeted level. It is not the requirement. If you have catch your decent profit, then overall you need to exit from the market. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the 4-hour chart on USDJPY. Now the concept will be more clear to you, because if I draw a line here, it's a very strong upward trend, and today 200forexpips turned from bullish into bearish, and this is the drop started from the right top boundary. And now if we analyze the 4-hour chart, then we can clearly say that we can expect a more bearish pressure on this pair, and hopefully the market will go more down. This is just like a start for me, and I'm just looking things to be more bearish in the further hours on USDJPY, because this is the first rejection we have received as per the analysis. Okay, Great Britain Pound USD sell position is taken. Very clear drop on Great Britain Pound USD today. Hopefully this is the third signal of my signals report. Hopefully subscribers should be in profit, those who are subscribed to the signal service. Bearish trade was given to them. 129215 was the entry, and guys, it touched the entry, and after that you can see a very significant downfall on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay. Moreover, if you were using the trading system, you can clearly see that just below the red level, this is the overbought level. The market started to receive a rejection. It was going down, and even the scalper has provided you with the sell signal in the form of red arrow. And guys, you know that this scalper does not repaints, and when it gives its decision, it does not change its decision. Okay. Moreover, when the scalper give you white arrows in the top red boundary, which is the overbought level, then we are not going to give any grass to that white arrow. We will only focus on the red arrows because the market is in the overbought levels. So selling opportunities should be seen, and we ignore all buying fake signals through the indicators. Okay, now you can see a very clear drop, and hopefully the subscriber should be on profit on Great Britain Pound USD. At next, I'm going to talk about the very easy trade on New Zealand USD. This is the second signal of my signals report, and this signal is not fully mature till now. 071390 was the entry. You can see that it is taken at my side. The market take a slight U-turn today, and we have also received a buy signal from New Zealand USD here. As you can see that AUDUSD has also gone up, and New Zealand USD is also on the way for an upward move. If I go to the higher time frame, then you will see one thing. Overall, if you talk about New Zealand USD, this pair is weak from 28th of August. It's going down, but today, why I have turned into bullish? Because I was not expecting any further downward trend on New Zealand USD, so it was a foolish idea to give a bearish signal. That is why, guys, I have to turn into bullish, and hopefully if you have even catch these 3 hours, then you should be in a very good profit. But overall, as per my opinion, I cannot say that things are going to be ended here. We have a downward trend here, but it looks like that this is the start of a further upward trend. This pair can go up for some time, and then again it will come back into the downward range. We decide the pair, prediction of the pair on an everyday basis. So guys, it is too early to say anything on New Zealand USD, but it looks like that it has started making a bullish wave from here. So bearish opportunities cannot be seen at the moment. Okay. At last, I'm going to talk about the hot pair Euro USD. So guys, I have supplied the bullish signal. The trade that is taken at my side was taken after the London session. Just before the London session, and the market responded during the London session. 118610 was the entry for Euro USD, and it has went up for some time, and that trade was taken on that time. But later on, we have seen a drop here. So guys, whenever you see such type of things, then you must note that, because this is the last day of the trading market, and you please note that it also has an effect on the major currency pairs. I mean, normally if we talk about the starting days of the month, and if we talk about the ending days of the month, the market is quite tricky on these days. This is the normal behavior how Forex market works. But overall, it's coming back into the range. It has again taken a U-turn. It's back into the entry. So now you can see that I can expect that it can go into the 119 level, and you can see that it is already drawn on my chart. And if we go for the higher time frame, then the same concept as I have talked about New Zealand USD, it looks like that from my side that Euro USD has completed the downward momentum. Now it should be the time for some upward momentum, and you can also look at here that as per the trading system, the market has reached to the oversold level. So selling can be a bad idea here. I'm just looking for a little pullback, and maybe the market can go up to 119.80. Moreover, guys, about the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, sell in the top red boundary as per the trading system, and buy the pair when it comes into the lower red boundary. This is how you need to use the trading system. And one more signal, that's USD Canadian dollar, guys. This it has not hit today. It went bearish today, but it was in a bullish range, because if this signal was prepared on the basis of daily chart, and overall daily chart was giving us a bullish signal. That is why the price was quite high, and still I have given the bullish signal, but overall this went negative. Other rest of the 7 signals went quite successful, and I have already provided you with analysis of the market. Overall, guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my Forex Signal service, if you want to get this powerful trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, share my analysis with other traders, and guys, provide me with your feedback. Thank you for watching the video.